What's happening? This is Vince. Welcome back to the channel. We're about to go install some hangers. Guerilla Volunteering. Today we're going to put some hooks on some of those posts, the most strategic spots around the course. So I guess I'm making rules for myself. If there's benches, it doesn't need a hook, and if there's already a hook on there, it doesn't need a hook. So there's only a few that don't have benches and don't have hooks. See what I'm talking about with setting my bag down? And there's these posts, but there's benches here. My first throw hit a tree. Went right in between those trees actually. Landed right there. So I thought this one would be a good one, but there's already one here. How convenient is that, instead of putting it on the ground? So this is what I'm talking about. Some of them have hooks, but they're broken. So I'm gonna put some new ones in here, even though there's a bench here. Just makes life easy. Sadly, I must say, I've never dropped coins or dollars into the donation box. But I feel like right now, I'm putting in my donation. We're here so much. This is our most played disc golf course. So I'm putting in my dues. Replace the first hook over here. First one. 9 more to go. We'll see where they go. Community service at work. Another cool thing about this park, they already have these clips. These clips for the dogs at pretty much every hole. Those help a lot. That's hook number 2. That's some of the most epic disc golf course that anyone's ever seen. Lake Tahoe, gotta love it. Another one down. All right, we're just knocking them out. I've got like 5 down now, so halfway through. These things are gold. We needed this the whole time. It's awesome to give back to the community, volunteer. Oh, too low. Even though this one has a bench, it needed a hook. This is what our dog does when she can't get in the lake. 1 more left, and then time for lunch. So this one is the last one. That makes 10. That means time for lunch.
See you in a minute, girl.
It's almost sunset. We're gonna go for a little paddle on the water. Go play in the water. It's hot still, and the water's nice, and it's no wind, so the water's probably flat, perfect for paddling. Yeah, Crystal just got out of school. Shasta's gonna love the water. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Lovely Lake Tahoe. Be sure to do all that YouTube stuff, but if anything, just share. Just share the video. That's the best thing to do. Don't like, don't subscribe, don't ring the bell, unless you want to, but share it. Boom.